In the depths of Granado Espada, a dungeon unlike any other awaits. The demonic nature dungeon, where danger lurks in every corner, but the rewards are beyond imagination. This is not just any dungeon. Here, you can grind massive EXP and level up your characters faster than ever. Face relentless waves of enemies and defeat powerful bosses to earn huge EXP, rare loot, and promotion materials. Want to hit master level faster? Want to boost your family level? Then this dungeon might help you. Are you ready for the ultimate EXP grind? Enter the demonic nature dungeon today and power up your characters like never before. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Granado Espada Mobile tips and guides. See you in the dungeon. Thank you for watching.
Nice!